Cap 3 is nothing but a brutal order that resembles the law of the jungle, devoid of accountability in governance, politics, or public finance. It is about a landscape defined by survival of the fittest, a where looting goes unpunished. Sanapita mashukana mdanyi kwa chinzi, whoever wins wins, a winner, waba waba, wafa wafa. Idi was counter revolutionary project. No subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna mashukana mda pangwa ina nyuka chinzi. Cap 3 was a calculated dismantling of the democratic gains Zimbabweans fought and sacrificed for. It rushed passage through parliament in swift assent into law signing, a signal not agency born on a necessity but a determined effort to reconfigure power with minimal scrutiny. At its core, CA3 strikes at the heart of the liberation struggle, the most sacred principle, one man, one vote. The doctrine was not merely symbolic, but it was the moral and political foundation upon which independent Zimbabwe was built. Any attempt to dilute it, whether through procedural manipulation or constitutional engineering, must be confronted for what it is, a betrayal. When electoral outcomes can be reshaped or neutralized through legal instruments crafted behind closed doors, nation building and democratic is reduced to performance rather than practice. The implications are profound. By concentrating authority within the executive and weakening institutional oversight, Constitutional Amendment 3 erodes the delicate balance that sustains constitutional governance. Parliament has become a rubber stamp, and the Constitution itself, once issued for the people, has become a tool for entrenching power. Yet there is an uncomfortable historical echo in all of this. Retired Air Marshal Andrew Mchenasi, comparison to 1965C, unilateral declaration of independence is not provocative at all, but it captures the deeper truth, the danger of a ruling elite elevating its own performance above the will of the majority. The actors may differ, but the instinct is familiar. Power insulated from um, accountability and justified through legal form. Toma developments are kuda pangwa ine. Na kuma section media zofungura enyi moto kuliva msuru vichitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like channel on the bell icon.